Hello, hello! Magandang umaga. Good morning to each and every one of you. Here we are again, and you're there, and I'm here. Yes, this is it, the morning. Pasayahin ho natin ang umaga ninyo. Magchismisan ho tayo. Let's talk about something that is really important. Maybe not. Depends on how you see it. Kung paano nyo po siya pakikinggan, pwede siyang importante, pwede namang hindi. Para to sa mga nagtatrabaho. Katulad ko, katulad nyo. Pero, dahil nasa bahay po tayo ngayon, ay, syempre meron tayong pagkain, breakfast. So, meron tayong kape, meron tayong tinapay. Sinong nakakaalala nito? Condensed milk.
Oh, wow!
Alam niyo na kung ano gagawin sa condensed milk. So, may condensed milk tayo. Lagyan natin siya dyan sa isang side. Ayan. Ayan ha. Pagkatapos, wala po kasi akong pandesal. I don't have the pandesal. So, what I normally do, still whatever bread that I have, I still do it. When I was younger, I always have pandesal and condensed milk. Tapos, sausaw mo siyang ganyan. Yan. Sino po nakakaalala sa inyo? I remember. Alam mo yung bumabalik yung time when you were younger? Pandesal lang tsaka condensed milk, masaya ka na. Aminin mo, naranasan mo to. O hindi. Kung hindi, subukan mo. Tinapay lang, promise. Tsaka condensed milk, panalo eh. Yan. Oh. Sarap. Tapos may kape. Kape po tayo. Okay. So, ano ba yung pag-uusapan natin ngayong umaga? Siyempre tungkol sa trabaho. So, para sa mga nagtatrabaho, katulad ko, katulad nyo, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, may mga araw na napaka-toxic. The word is toxic. Lagi nyo maririnig yan sa mga tao na stress, too much work, workaholic, toxic. The word is toxic. Ano ba yung toxic? Kami nung bata ako, when we were in the laboratory, when we were doing our internship, there would always a time people would say, or my classmates would say, oh my God, last night was so toxic kasi marami kaming trabaho. We go around the hospital to pick up supplies, pick up samples from different patients, a different room, floor. We do that when we were intern. And at the end of the day, the following morning, when we wake up, uwi na kami, oh my God, the word, napaka-toxic. But what toxic really means? Paano mo siya lalabanan? How would you make your day easier, at least for yourself? Maybe you can spread it to somebody else during the time that you're working. It's simple. Simple, diba? So nowadays, I mean, I'm at the age na ang dami kong napasukan, na trabahuhan. Totoo yun. There are so many places that you work with. Hindi lahat ng tao would be mabait sa'yo. Alam mo yun? Hindi lahat ng tao, you can please everybody. No, you cannot. But, at least be true to yourself. True to yourself. And the magic word, or the secret weapon, zip. Be quiet. Kahit gaano ka chaotic, kahit gaano ka toxic, kahit gaano ka busy, yung surrounding, yung environment where you work with, as long as you zip, you keep your quiet, you keep your calm, you will survive. Kasi ganito siya. This is what I noticed. This is from my own experience. So the environment get toxic, it's because sometimes it came from us. We tend to work too much and then we complain afterwards. Ba't ka magtatrabaho ng sobra-sobra? Gawin mo lang yung kaya mo. You don't spend too much. You don't overwork that you yourself is getting so tired. Then makikita mo ibang tao hindi naman napapagod. Then nakikita mo yung ibang tao hindi naman nag-work the same as you are. Tapos magrereklamo ka. Ikaw gumagawa ng problema. You are the toxic. Diba? It's a balance of system. Gawin mo ganito. Zip your mouth. Gawa ka lang. Yung kaya mo lang. Face yourself in a way that you don't get too tired, but at the same time, you deliver the job well. And I learned that in a hard way. Kasi pakiramdam ng marami, if you work hard, if you work more, you get more benefits, recognitions, and whatnot. It doesn't work that way. No. They would see you're working hard. They'll put you more work. That's what's happening. And that became toxic environment for you. Ang gawin mo, simple lang. Zip your mouth and work quietly. Work in a phase that hindi ka mapapagod. Pero kaya mong ibigay yung resulta ng trabaho na binigay para sa'yo. Na binabayaran ka doon sa trabaho na ibinigay sa'yo. Minsan Tagalog ko naiiba. I'm so sorry. But anyway, what I'm trying to say is, before you complain, face yourself. Call to yourself and tell to yourself, like, you know what? This is the job that I'm going to do because this is the job I am paid for. I'm not gonna do extra job unless it was asked me to do it and I get benefits out of it. Yan. Kasi maraming tao nagsamantala sa'yo. Pag nagsasamantala ng tao sa'yo, uulit-ulitin nila yan sa'yo. Especially in a work environment that you see a lot of people that they're not doing their job very well. But you yourself, pagod mo sarili mong kaka-work kasi pakiramdam mo, angat ka sa iba. You're not. You're not. You're just putting toxicity in yourself. Kasi nga, psychologically, iniisip mo, it would benefit me. Gawin ko to. No. Sabi nga nila, di ba? That's not part of your job description. Why would you do it? Unless you're being asked to. Pag tinanong ka, pwede mo ba itong gawin? You tell them. What am I getting out of it pag ginawa ko to? That's not part of my job description. Di ba? Ganun kasimple yun. Hindi mo kailangan pagurin sarili mo kasi nga hindi mo yung trabaho. Kaya lang dahil bida-bida ka. Usually yan sa mga Pilipino, bida-bida. Tapos maghahanap ng kapalit. Kung maghanap ng kapalit, ginawa mo yun eh. Diba? Di ka naman sinabing babayaran ka doon. Pero pag sinabing babayaran ka, go, do it. That's the name of the game. So the word toxic is equal to Z and face yourself. Don't work too hard. Enjoy your meal. Morning is my bread and my condensed milk. Mwah! Bye-bye!